Dr. Thea Verma here from the Magical Temple, and we are going to be looking at a ritual that we can use before the Mercury retrograde starts. The Mercury retrograde will start on the 18th. If you are aware, we are already under the shadow of three planets which are in retrograde. One of them is going to last till July, the other two are going to last till September. A video has already been posted about that. This video is going to tell you about how to deal with the Mercury retrograde and a short, small, easy ritual which you can do at home without any stress to yourself or others. Now, a Mercury retrograde is very clearly a time where communication issues come up. A lot of communication issues come up, a lot of misunderstandings come up. Be very careful when you sign or start anything new during this phase of your life. It's very important that we clear communication, especially with the Venus already in retrograde and Mercury joining it. The pressure on relationships, all sorts of relationships, is going to be very, very high. So I'm going to teach you a small, easy ritual to do today, and I will be shifting the camera in some time to my space that I've already created, and I will explain what is kept and why, and we can go through the ritual together. So I'm going to move the camera a bit. As you can see, my altar space is ready. This is the symbol of Mercury. I will be posting the symbol for you guys in a bit so that you can follow it. We are under lockdown, so I did not get a chance to get the right leaves for it. If nothing else, you can use grass, the leaves of a rose plant. Those are things which are very easily available. I have for now just cut off a leaf of a plant that was there in my house and just using those. You need a green candle, you need a silver coin, you need communication oil. If you don't have communication oil, just use chamomile oil. This is a basic altar that I've created with my five elements, with my pentacle, my wands, and my broom for now. And now let's go through the ritual so that you guys get some clarity about it as well, about what is it that we are going to be doing. So as I already showed you what we are going to do, so in this I have already mixed the communication oil, and now I will use the communication oil on my hands, rub my hands. You need a green color candle. I will just rub the green color candle with this oil, and my intention will be very clear that during this Mercury retrograde there should be no issue that comes up in my life as far as communication is concerned. I am going to be sticking the candle to the base first. Traditionally, lighter is not allowed. We prefer that you use a matchstick, but again, because of the lockdown, I'm currently running short of a couple of supplies, and I just wanted to make this quick video and show it to you before the time passes. This will be placed on the circle. Your silver coin, again, I will use the communication oil on my hands, and I will energize the silver coins, and I will just say that all communication issues, all negative issues that are going to come in my life because of the Mercury retrograde, please make sure that they do not affect my life in any manner. So mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it be. All communication issues, relationship issues, all issues that are going to come into my life because of the Mercury retrograde, please make sure that do not come and affect my life in any manner. So mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it be. And here I will place my silver coin, and I will take my communication oil because obviously I want to chart that too, and I will just place it at the base of the symbol. So on the circle of the symbol I have the candle, on the cross I have my silver coin, and here I have my oil. And now I will just light my candle. And I will energize it. Any and all communication issues that are going to come into my life and make sure that I face issues during the Mercury retrograde, please negate those effects. Please negate those effects. So mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it be. Any and all communication issues that are going to come into my life, any relationship issues that are going to come into my life because of this Mercury retrograde, please negate those effects. So mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it be. Any and all communication issues that are going to come into my life relationship issues that are going to come into my life because of the Mercury retrograde. Please negate the effects. So mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it. So as we wait for the candle to burn down, we will talk about Mercury, and I will not be showing you the candle because now this is a ritual that is going to be done thrice, 3 days at a stretch before the 18th of June that starts. So do it. You need a green candle, you need grass, or you need rose leaves, or you need lotus leaves, which you can use to create this. If nothing else, use salt mixed with or raw rice mixed with green food coloring, and draw the symbol. The symbol will be shown to you in a separate picture which is going to be uploaded. You can have a look there. The symbol is going to be there at the end of the video actually. The oil that you will energize is something you will use on your throat chakra every single day. Starting from 18th, you will be using that every single day. If you already have the recipe on how to make a communication oil, please make it. Otherwise, get in touch with us. We have that oil available with us that can be couriered to you ASAP. The oil will also be used on the silver coin every single day. So keep that in mind, that you will need this oil to be used on your silver coin and your throat chakra. So by doing this remedy, you will make sure that the effect of the Mercury retrograde is not very intense in your life. Please understand that this year is a very intense year. The number is already 4 of this year. And it's going to be a very intense year. The coming couple of months are also going to be intense. So let's just buckle up and make sure that we can take care of ourselves as much as we can. So now I'm going to be posting the image of the Mercury symbol that you will be drawing with either the leaves or the raw rice or green salt or something like that. What you will need, again repeating, is 3 green candles, using one for each single day, 1 silver coin, the coin will be repeated every single day, 1 or 2 bottles of communication oil depending upon how much you're going to need. You do not need to cast a circle like I have done. You do not need to call the quarters and set up your elemental space like I have done. If you have not learnt it, if you have learnt it, then please go ahead and do that. You will draw the symbol, place the candle in between the circle, place the coin on the cross, and place the oil at the bottom. This will make sure that all the 3 things are in a straight line and all the things will get energized. So do this, check the symbol out, get back to us in case of any queries, and we will try our best to answer it for you. So take care, stay blessed always, bye-bye.